getting hit hard. This monsoon that just came through. It just barely skimmed Wahweap, and it is heading over towards Warm Creek, and it should be on the Grand Staircase Escalante. We have whitecaps out here that are pushing probably a couple feet, at least 2. And by the looks of things, it's a good monsoon. You can see the sand over on Antelope Island, pushing hard. All that dirt, and over the rock. Hopefully everybody on the road is hunkered down. Anything like that. There we go. There's the whitecaps hitting Padre Bay. You can see over there, barely see where sand king is. The buoy fields. Definitely one not to be in. We have a boat coming in right now. Getting hit with probably about 30-40 mile-an-hour gusts, possibly up to 50. On the water, it's going to be a little bit worse. You can see the downpour that's happening. Here's the cloud cover. Huge tempest cloud above us. That's over towards Lone Rock. Instead of over to Wahweap Hotel. And it is ripping. Monsoon season has begun early on Lake Powell. Beautiful. There's Sand King over there. Castle Rock is completely. Wow. Security pulled me aside and said it's too dangerous over there, so I obliged. Wasn't gonna make a big deal about it. Wow, look at that. Microburst, baby, Lake Powell. Now, you guys all know better, I assume, watching these videos, you veterans out there, and you know to hunker down in these kind of situations. Wow, Castle Rock right there. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Boats are launching still. They're probably gonna wait it out. Big barge came in. The boat we just saw earlier came in. It looks like we have a few out still. Everything looks good over on the docks. Yeah, lots of moisture. Woke up this morning, felt the humidity. Right place at the right time, or some would say the wrong place at the wrong time. Still got a huge amount of dust going over Antelope Island heading towards Navajo Mountain on the reservation. Thunder is roaring. Anybody that's over in Warm Creek is getting hit right now. And assuming that's gonna go over to Padre Bay, and that's where the waves are really gonna pick up because that's the biggest bay in Lake Powell. As soon as that wind hits the water, that surface area, it just starts pushing them. But man, I'm seeing whitecaps out there that are looking like 3 feet. It's just kind of a guesstimate. That was a nice little monsoon, little microburst, huh? We'll see if we get any more tonight. That was a huge hit. Not the craziest I've seen, but these go hard and they go fast. And there's that bad boy right there. And she's still hitting over there. Warm Creek is definitely getting hit, getting sanded out. Look at that. Look what we got over there. Ripping. That was gnarly. Right place at the right time for you guys. Now we're going back inside to finish lunch. And just like that, the aftermath. Everybody's out having fun again. But we do have one more in the horizon. A little early for monsoon season, folks. We're probably a month early, excuse me. Nothing like a monsoon in the desert. Especially on the lake. Gets a little sketchy sometimes. That was badass. It's good to see one of those finally. It's been a long time since we had good rain. Probably, God, I want to say about 3 months since the beginning of spring, March. Something like that, but finally the desert gets something good. Yeah, I hope everybody's good on the lake. Still going in the back. It's hitting about Padre Bay. Let's see if I can find a spot. There you go. Padre Bay, it's probably pushing up towards Rock Creek. Then Rainbow Bridge area, probably. All right, see you next time.